Hi everybody and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add a hover zoom effect on Shopify product images. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. So it is pretty easy. First, what you're going to do is you can either incorporate it using custom CSS, or if you do not want to do that, you can head over to search bar on top and search in here for hover, just like this. Then search that in Shopify App Store. Dive right onto that. And here you can see we have various landing page builders and hover effects. You can see iHover, and this is going to be allowing you to apply that kind of hover effect. So yeah, make sure to give a try to these. You can see this is how it looks and pretty easy. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.